Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can use the Canva website template on your WordPress website. Okay, so first thing that you should do here, make sure that you have ready your Canva website template. So for example, this one right here. And then after that, make sure to log into your WordPress website. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do here is to tap on the share option at the top right of our screen and then make sure that your Canva website is published. Okay, so when you tap on the share option right here, just tap on the see all and then you just have to tap on the embed option. After that, just copy this smart embed link. That's right, and then go back to WordPress. So right here, you're just going to add a new block and then I just have to look for the embed option right here. So if you cannot find it manually, just have to use the search bar at the top and then type out embed. And then you have this one right here. Then after that, all you have to do is to paste here the link of your Canva website and then tap on the embed option. Okay, and then after that, you have a choice to expand at this section if you want to. But as you can see right here, when someone visit your WordPress website and tap on this area, of course, they would be able to see here now your Canva website. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.